Hey guys, so I've been going through some of my comments on some of my videos, and I noticed that some of you guys are brand new to 3D printing. First of all, welcome to the club, welcome to the community. This is a awesome community that's out here, especially the one that I'm trying to build here at my channel. So again, welcome to the community, welcome to 3D printing. It's amazing. But it made me think about my first prints that I've ever done on a 3D printer that I own personally. And outside of you know what I'm talking about, the Benchy, my first print ever was a photo frame that I did for a friend because I didn't have really any ideas of what to do. So my friend had this file that they wanted printed, and it was an ABS. And I'll tell you in another video what my first printers were, but it was ABS. It took about, for the first part of the frame, was about maybe 15, 16 hours. And the second part took maybe around 10 hours. But that was my very first functional print ever. And it was awesome. I remember it to this day of just hoping that everything went well. And again, it wasn't the best looking print ever, but it made me re-fall in love with printing. And I still get that to this day with a lot of my printers. I will print something and just take the part off the build plate and go, wow, it's just amazing that this thing came out of a tool. Remember, these are tools, but this creation came out of this tool, and it's, again, still amazes me to this day. But then it also made me think about asking you guys this question. What was your first 3D print outside of the Benchy, outside of any test prints? What was your first print? Was it something that you did for a friend? Was it something for their house? Was it decor? Was it a functional print? What was it? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys as a veterans did. And for the beginners, what is your first print going to be? Even if it's the Flexi Dragon, doesn't really matter. I would love to know about what you're going to print, or if you're a veteran in 3D printing, what your very first print was. I'm very open to knowing more about my community and everybody that comes and watches my videos. Let me know down in the comments below. And this also made me think about having a new series of videos. Because again, I don't want to be just the negative guy that's shouting at the clouds going, this, and this is bad. No, I don't. No, I want to give you guys what I see in the world in terms of 3D printing, just repair and all that in general. But I also want to do good or show the best parts of 3D printing. And so my series going forward is going to be about showcasing original designs by my community, by anyone who wants to share. These have to be original designs. You can show me photos of what you created, and whether you want to show the process of you using CAD to develop it or just your final design. You're going to send all that information to this email right here. I'm not going to say the email because I don't want more spam or anything in it, but that's going to be the email that you're going to send. Just send your first name. You don't have to give me an in-depth profile of who you are, just your original designs, why you did it. Is it for something that you're posting to different platforms, or it's just something for your like in-house for something that you did? Just again, let me know with this email, and if I like it, I will showcase it in a upcoming video. I want to get a few submissions before I create these videos, so give me your designs, send them at this email. Here it is again. And again, I want to showcase what you guys do, my community, because this is going to serve as an inspiration for other designers, other 3D printer enthusiasts, but it also is going to show that the 3D printing world is not about violence and guns and weapons. It's that we are highly creative. And this is the evidence I want to showcase to all the lawmakers that you're trying to trample on this highly creative community by putting in digital locks. But again, that's besides the point. I'm not going to go deep in this video about that. Show me what you guys do. I would love to know more about you, your creations. Now, one disclaimer, please don't send me stuff that you did not create. Don't send me things that you're trying to sell, because if you're trying to sell the design, I get that, but I don't want to promote businesses that are selling designs per se. Nothing against them, make your money, but I don't want to showcase designs that you're making for services out there. Okay, so that's the only disclaimer. But if it's something that you're building for yourself, something designed for a tool that you have, whatever it is, let me know via the email, and I will hopefully showcase you in a video that I have upcoming in the future. But anyway, guys, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.